Today, we are going to learn about two-letter blends. A note to the parents before we start the lesson. While it is easy for many young learners to learn the phonetic sounds of the letters, blending these sounds together can be difficult if not presented properly. Blending is super important because being able to mentally join speech sounds to make words helps students to decode and read unfamiliar words. Difficulty in acquiring this concept is a sign of a struggling reader. This is a demonstration of how to present the concept. Have your child follow along with me from here on. Children, consider the letters S, A, T, I, P, N. The reason why we pick these letters is simply because they occur more often in simple words than the other letters. First up, let's pick A. The phonetic sound of the letter A is A. We will play a simple game. Stretch the sound of A till I say stop. Try with me, children. Ready? Stop. Let's try that again. Stop. One more time. Stop. Good. Okay. Let's change the rules a little. I will draw a line as we drag the sound and stop the sound when I stop the line. Remember, I will not say stop, I will just stop the line and we stop the sound. Okay, children, let's take a deep breath and let's try that. Ready? That was fun, right? Do it with me again, children. That was difficult. Okay. Now this time we will add a stopper sound. Okay. Now I'm going to pull another sound, the letter T, which makes a sound T. So when the line reaches T sound, you will stop with the T sound. Let's try that. At. Good. Let's try that again. At. Okay. Now I am going to push T closer to A. You know what? I have a cute assistant to do that for us. Now, let's read the sounds. At. Good. Now, let's get it closer. At. Now, let's push him even more closer. At. One more time. At. Okay, good. Now, children, let's have him push it right next to the A sound. At. At. It reads as at. At. Did you get the word? It is at. Perfect. We just learned to join the two sounds, A and T, and it reads as at. Perfect. Now, let's try it with another sound and we will pick P. P is our stopper sound. Ready? App. Good. Now let's push it a little more closer. Now let's read the sounds. App. Okay, a little more closer, please. App. Good. Now let's put them next to each other. A and P next to each other. App. So A and P makes the sound app. That is getting easy, right? Now let's use another sound. Let's pick Ready? And let's push it a little more closer. And closer. And now let's put N right next to A. An. The word is an. So when you put a and n together, it becomes an. An. Good. I want you to practice joining these sounds through the week, and we will learn to blend more sounds in our next session.